In this video, we are going to look at Dividend Aristocrats, AbbVie Inc. The ticker symbol is ABBV. This is a large-cap biopharmaceutical company with a market cap of $348 billion. It has a high dividend yield of 3.79% and a dividend payout ratio of 55.7%, which indicates that a large portion of their earnings is being distributed to shareholders. It also has a strong earnings per share growth of 15.36% over the past 5 years. AbbVie Inc. is a research-based biopharmaceutical company that engages in the research, development, manufacture, commercialization, and sale of medicines and therapies worldwide. The company offers Humira, an injection for autoimmune and intestinal B-sets diseases, generalized pustular psoriasis, and pyoderma gangrenosum. Skyrizi is used to treat autoimmune diseases. Rinvoq is used to treat inflammatory diseases. Imbruvica is a treatment for adult patients with certain blood cancers. Venclexta or Venclixto is a treatment for blood cancers such as chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Elahere is used to treat various cancer. Now let's take a look at the valuation. The stock is currently trading at $126.53 per share. The fair value is $143.38 per share, which means there is a potential upside of 13.27%. The price-to-earnings ratio is 25.91, which is higher than the industry average of 22.78. The price-to-sales ratio is 8.23, which is higher than the industry average of 7.14. The price-to-free cash flow is 47.31, which is higher than the industry average of 36.54. AbbVie has a debt-to-equity ratio of 1.19, which is higher than the industry average of 0.87. The times interest earned is 13.21, which is higher than the industry average of 10.32. These ratios indicate that the company has a high level of financial leverage, but it is still able to meet its interest obligations. Let's take a look at some historical financials. In 2020, the company had total revenue of $35.54 billion and a net income of $13.36 billion. In 2019, the company had total revenue of $33.93 billion and a net income of $10.67 billion. This shows that the company has been able to grow its revenue and net income in the past 2 years. So overall, ABBV, also known as AbbVie Inc., is a large-cap biopharmaceutical company with a market cap of $348 billion. However, the stock is currently trading above its fair value, and the price-to-earnings and price-to-free cash flow ratios are higher than the industry average. The company has a high level of financial leverage, but it is still able to meet its interest obligations. AbbVie's revenue and net income have been growing in the past 2 years.